place your bets. Come on, everybody. Come on.
Bring it
Any
in.
splits?
All right.
Here we go. Come on, horses. Come on, horses. Come on. Come on, horses. All right, that's it. No more bets.
Come on, right here.
Let me have a duck. Let me have a duck.
Now, Stretch takes the round.
You lost.
Okay, minimum bet 5 Monopoly. Coyotes Wild. Change it 2 double A's. Hey, what do you guys think of the new recruits? Any keepers?
Oh, please. Landfill.
Cowgirl? Dinosaur?
Toddler fodder.
But that, space guy, he could be useful.
He ain't the sharpest knife in the place where they keep the knives.
Neither are you, Chunk.
You got a little keeper yourself, didn't you, Ken?
Hey, lay off, Twitch. Barbie's different.
Oh, Mr. Softy over here.
What do you expect from a girl's toy?
I'm not a girl's toy. I'm not. Why do you guys keep saying that?
All them toys are disposable. We'll be lucky if they last us a week.
Well. Looky who we have here.
Let me go!
Take him to the library.